Welcome to Learning Videos. This is a case of 64-year-old gentleman who is our regular patient at our center. On 25th January 2013, he started with small circular erythematous eruption on legs, and this eruption used to itch, and this itching used to feel better by hot water. It was appearing like fungal infection. So, by taking into consideration itching ameliorated by hot water, I started with Restox 200 3 times a day for 3 days. After 3 days, there was no much relief. Then I have given him arsenic album 200 3 times a day for 3 days. Then after 3 days, he came and he says there is no relief at all. In fact, his eruption the new eruption appeared on the trunk, back, hand and thighs also. So again the itching was predominant symptom, especially at night, and sometimes he used to feel burning also. He used to get restless because of that burning. And the same modality was present, that is amelioration by hot water. As the lesion has spread, I thought it is related to some underlying condition. Patient has done blood sugar and lipid profile just 1 month back. So I have not repeated that test, but I thought it may be of immunological, the cause may be of immunological disorder. So I asked to do some test, and in between I gave him arsenic album 1 mg 3 times a day for 4 days and followed by placebo for 3 days. The results of investigations are ANA was positive, anti-DHDNA was negative, P-ANCA and C-ANCA were negative, hemoglobin count was 12.3, eosinophil was slightly raised, it was 8, ESR was 15 and C-reactive protein was normal. Blood reports are not suggestive of any specific diagnosis except ANA positive, which is a non-specific finding. We will see the further management of case tomorrow. Thank you. Welcome to Learning Videos. This is follow-up of yesterday's case of skin lesion. With arsenic, there was not much of improvement. Further inquiry into the case provided added information that this multiple eruption erythematous lesion on back, trunk, upper and lower extremities was same. There was no any change in that. The affected area was hot to touch, oozing on pressure and that watery liquid, and the itching aggravated by bathing. Perspiration was increased since the trouble started. Generally, patient is chilly, but now he is not tolerating fan also. Stool is not clear since few days. Otherwise, the person's motion is normal all the time. Diagnosis is not possible here, but it may be that some immunological changes are responsible for this eruption. Considering constipation, chilliness and perspiration increase as a concomitants, I prescribe Silicea 1 mg 4 pills every day for 4 days. After 4 days, his stool was little better, itching was same and oozing reduced. Erythema was also reduced. Therefore, I continued the same medicine for 8 days. After continuing same medicine for a month, his lesion decreased to 70 to 80%, but there was no improvement in itching. Still, I continued the same medicine for few more days. Then itching also reduced gradually along with eruptions. On 1st June 2013, he is very much better. However, the case needs further follow-up. Thank you.